Yes, what's happening everyone? I'm here in Penang, Octagon MMA. I'm going to corner Hussein. While I'm here, I'm going to teach a quick technique. So I'm here with Berus. I'm on the back. Personally, as a grappler, I like to switch from the back to the seatbelt, and I like to attack the back. But the problem is, every time I open my grip from gable to seatbelt, Berus will turn and face me, or if he's a striker, run away, disengage, and he's out. And now I'm forced to strike again. So this is a technique I've been using a lot. I keep the gable, and instead of opening my grip and switching to the seatbelt, first I'm going to pick him up. So from the gable, I pick him up, and now I switch to the seatbelt. Here I attack the hook, and you see I trap one arm, and I don't like to put my second hook in, I like to cross and squeeze my knees together. From here, Berus has only got one arm, I go 2-on-1, and I finish the choke. Okay, so one more time. I'm on the back, pick him up, switch to the seatbelt. This hand, leg over, trap the arm. I don't like to put my second hook in, you can, but I like to stay here, cross my feet and squeeze my knees together to trap his hip. From here, he's only got one hand to defend the choke. Defend the choke. If he tries to defend the choke, I go 2-on-1, trap the arm, and here I start to attack. I can grab behind the shoulder and finish with a one-arm choke, or I can lock it up and squeeze. So now I'm going to show in real time what it looks like. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shem BJJ, and follow my Instagram page.